Chris, I'm Logan MacIntosh.
Good morning, Falcons. I'm Logan MacIntosh, and welcome back. And for all you freshmen out there, welcome to Oak Crest High School.
Good afternoon, I'm Logan MacIntosh for Falcons TV News, and today is Monday, November 24th, 2014.
Hi guys, Logan MacIntosh here at Oak Crest High School as we set up for our annual mock car crash. Good morning, Falcons. Logan MacIntosh here for Falcons TV News.
Hey guys, Logan MacIntosh here for Falcons TV News, and it's Pink Day here at Oak Crest High School, where we show our support for breast cancer. It's not enough knowing that it exists, so we hope that you join the fight and more pink today. So let's go check it out.
Hey guys, Logan MacIntosh here for Falcons TV News.
Logan MacIntosh here for Falcons TV News, bringing you the latest experience on our cafe at Oak Crest High School.
I'm Logan MacIntosh signing off for Falcons TV News.
From all your fellow Falcons, we wish you both the best on your journey at Ultimate University. I'm Logan MacIntosh signing off for Falcons TV News. That is it from Shader Elementary School's second lift up. I'm Logan MacIntosh signing off for Falcons TV News. You can visit our new and improved website at www.oakcrest.net for more information on how to become a part of all the great things happening here at Oak Crest High School as a student.
Genesis and Naviance allow parents to view grades, monitor attendance, communicate with teachers, and develop personalized learning plans.
1 in 6 high school students have seriously contemplated suicide.
1 in 12 high school students have attempted it.
That means 1 in every 12 people you know could have been this MTC.
The solution to your problems doesn't have to be the final one. Suicide is not the answer.
Call 1-800-273-8255 or visit www.suicidepreventionlifeline.org.
Courageous.
Brave.
Dedicated. Strong.
Passionate.
Volunteer firefighters.
It's important to be a volunteer firefighter for civic duties and helping your community. I'm Team Wellington. I'm proud to be a volunteer firefighter.
Oak Crest High School was established in September of 1960. The Falcons' Nest is 110 acres with over 100 staff members and 8 administrators dedicated to making the students successful.